Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new Metroguide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a brand new, modern, charming, 4-bedroom house and lot for sale located here near Commonwealth Avenue, Quezon City. This property has a floor area of 280 square meters and a lot area of 218 square meters. It's also located on elevated terrain in a gated community. This property also has a very open design and you'll see in a little while. Now let's begin the tour. Let's go. What strikes me for this property is the red brick design extending to the second level of the house, giving such a rustic and charming character to the facade of the home. To your left, you immediately have a garden area right here. And you can access the side of the house all the way to the back of the house here. And this area is already tiled. And on your right side, you have a carport area for 3 vehicles. Your carport area has a high ceiling, and as you can see, you can easily accommodate 3 cars right here, even if they're vans or SUVs, because there's no problem in terms of the height restriction. And you have access here towards the side of the house, which we will explore later. And let's head on up towards your main entry. In addition, the flooring of the carport area is also a gravel wash, so it's not slippery at all, which is important for safety. And here we are at your main entry. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Wow, you're welcomed by a high ceiling space for your living area with a modern light fixture, and you can easily have a nice living room set right here. And what I love is there's so much light from both sides of the room because you have your windows reaching the second level of the property, and then on this side you have a sliding door leading towards a den room space. Let's check this out. Now this is a multi-purpose room. This can be a guest room, a home office, a playroom, an extension of your living space, or even a bedroom if you'd like. If you're gonna place some curtains right here, this can be a bedroom because it also has access towards a bathroom right here. Let's take a quick look. Now this already doubles as your powder room because you can access this through this door right beside the main entry. I love the ceiling height also of this den room, and this isn't even counted in the 4 bedrooms of this property. So you could consider this a 5th room. Now for privacy also, what's nice is you have frosted glass here, so you have privacy from the carport area, but of course you can still have some curtains placed here if you'd like. You already have a provision for a split type air conditioning unit as well. And you have a screen door right here. giving you access to a tiled side patio area. So you can have some chairs and small tables right here if you're having a get-together, just to increase the amenity space. And you have some bamboo plants right here, giving you a cool and relaxing atmosphere. Let's head on in. Now, from your living space, let's now explore your dining area. Your dining area has elegant cove lighting with a modern light fixture which can be placed over your table. In terms of the layout, a circular table would fit this very well, but in terms of the space, you can easily have a 6 to 8 seater table oriented two ways. Another great aspect of the dining area is its corner position in the ground level. You have sliding doors on both sides, giving you access to the tiled areas on both sides of the property. And from your dining space, let's now explore your modern kitchen. I love this kitchen space primarily because of the colors used. I love the blend of the earth tones with the marble design for the countertop. And I love having the two-tone design here with the wood and then the marble right beside it. And then you have a double sink right here, stainless steel. And this is where you can have your oven, and it already has a built-in pot filler for convenience. And of course, this is where you can have your refrigerator. What's nice is you have a sliding door here which also has a screen door. So while you're preparing your food, you have so much ventilation. It's so cool here right now, and there's so much greenery all around the house. And you can even open this up and have a barbecue area right here. Okay? And also, you have access here towards the service area of the house. So you have an additional auxiliary sink space right here, and you can have a washing machine on this side. And to your left, you have your staff room. And here you have your staff room with its own bathroom. And then on this side, you have a second staff room, which can be a driver's room. And then on this side, you have a second room with a toilet as well. And you have these stairs leading to an additional service area. Let's take a quick look. And here we are at an additional service level. You can also potentially have a laundry machine right here, like a washer and a dryer. And this can be a place where you can potentially hang clothes out to dry. And it won't be in view of any guests or the downstairs level. Now let's head back. Now let's head back in. Now we're back here in your main kitchen, dining area, living space, and what a nice view of your main amenity spaces. In Tagalog, it's very maaliwalas and magaan. In addition, upon entering the home, you have an additional storage room right here to maximize the area underneath the stairs. And now let's head on up towards the second level where you have 4 bedrooms. Let's go. Welcome to the second level of this home, and we're here at your second level hallway, and you have a great view of your living and dining spaces from here. What I also like is, as all the occupants go in and out of their rooms, it feels very open. And now let's begin by exploring your first bedroom, which is your primary bedroom. What stands out for this room is the size and also the design of this window, which already starts from the floor level. So this gives you such an open feel for the room. You can easily have a king-sized bed right here. There's already a provision for a split-type air conditioning unit here on the other side. And you have plenty of storage already built in right here. And it's even lighted. You have a dresser space on this side, and here you have your bathroom with an alcove bathtub already built in. Floor to ceiling tiling. And for the flooring, you have tile flooring with a wooden design. For the railing, it's very sturdy. And in terms of the gap, this is also quite safe, especially if you have children, because it won't be easy to climb this versus having a design with horizontal bars. Okay? And right here you have your second bedroom. You have a provision for a window type air conditioning unit, and you have an oversized window, so there's plenty of natural light. And what's nice is it also has built-in cabinetry, once again with lights. That's a nice touch. And to save space, you have a sliding door right here leading towards a bathroom. Now this bathroom also can be accessed not just through the second bedroom, but from the hallway. This is just an additional functionality, especially if you have parties, get-togethers, or gatherings, and you have guests who also need to go to the second floor to use the bathroom. They don't need to go through the bedroom. And right here, you have your third bedroom, and here is your fourth bedroom. Let's go through here first. Welcome to the third room, where you have 3 windows, since it's a corner room, and you also have a provision for a window type air conditioning unit, and once again, plenty of storage. And here, through the sliding door, you have a shared bathroom with the fourth bedroom. But what's nice is this shared bathroom has a dual vanity sink space. So this is excellent for siblings. Another idea is this can potentially be used as a master bedroom. Hear me out. You can use one room as the main room for the bed, and then this entire room can be a walk-in closet. So that's just another idea. And then once again, you have storage here at the fourth room. So 4 rooms, and then you have that den room downstairs. So 5 rooms, and then you have 2 staff rooms. So 7 rooms in total for this property. So it's a great value property with very well thought out designs. Now we're back here in your main hallway. And that wraps up our house tour of this brand new 4-bedroom home here in Quezon City. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.